Hello. So I just thought I'd show you this just really quickly. So I mentioned the other day about having a script, a sort of side script on there, and it's called the Unity script. It's a palaver to put on. You have to be quite careful to make sure you've collected it from a place, because otherwise it can just, it can be difficult. So basically, this map is British cities with populations of 50,000 plus, so sort of medium size up to large towns and cities, and it's a satellite view. So when we start looking down on a town, basically, and you've got to try and guess or know or work out where you are. So let's start. I'll just do a couple of rounds and see how we get on. Right, so, yeah. This is like a north coast. We've got a little airfield there by the look of it. So I've got two thoughts here. Could it be here? Is that? We've got an airfield, Manston International Airfield. So this is, I'm pretty sure, where we are now. So this is like Margate. So my guess was it's either here, just because of the shape of it, or it's up in the north of Scotland. But I didn't think it was that, because it doesn't look Scottish, does it? It doesn't look exposed like that. So here we are. We're sort of somewhere in Margate. That's what we're looking at there, and we're sort of coming in from that, and there's two roads there. And we're sort of over here somewhere. Two roads there, and then we're on the second one, so coming down. So we're here, and then sort of, I think we're here. Let's try it. 2 meters. All right, that was a fairly easy, a good guess. We've got another one with an airfield on it, or a disused airfield by the look of it, but what was an airfield. We've got a motorway which is running northeast. Ooh, that looks interesting, with a very distinctive. I might show you a cheat on this one. H52, H07. What does that mean? So let's look down here. Can we work out? See what's here. M4. That looks like M4, and that looks like M. Does that say M4? What does this say? That definitely says M4, doesn't it? East and west. And M48 and M32. M48. I don't know where M4. That definitely says M4, doesn't it? We've got anything else going on here? So there's also a north-south thing going on. Is that a motorway or? Yeah, that's a motorway going north-south. It's a big city. I'm thinking Bristol, because you've got this big motorway here. M4 runs north of Bristol, and this is quite a big city because you're only seeing the northern part of it. You've got a football ground there, blue and white. It's not a Premier League or anything like that. It's quite small. Have we got any other? Because there's 2 football grounds in Bristol. Oh, we've got this here. All right, let's go and see if we're in Bristol. Queen Square. So that's Queen Square there. So we're definitely in Bristol, but not there. And then let's have a look up here, and that's our that motorway junction. So and I think I know where we are. Aerospace Bristol. So British Aerospace have one, and it's Filton. The disused rail thing is at Filton. So we're up here somewhere. It's got a big roundabout there, and then we've got all these works here, which is, I think, British Aerospace Filton, which was that disused airfield there. Filton Golf Club. That's probably that. Filton Golf Club. And then so we've got this bendy road here. Bendy road here, which comes down to this island here, which I think is this island here. And where are we on it? We're sort of, if we look here, there's building there to the right. So we're sort of halfway along the second building on the right-hand side. So I would say that's there. There you go, 3 meters. Last one, because these are quite distinct, because we're on the south coast and we've got a pier. So what else have we got? What's here? There's docks there. And there's a marina there. I think this is probably oh God, my brain seized. Brighton, but it's further along. So I think this is Hove, because Brighton's here and Hove is next to it. So let's have a look. Brighton. So you can see that is definitely that shape, and that is definitely that shape. So, and we are, where are we on the map? So we're further along. And we're just inland. So we've got this park thing here a bit further along to the right. So let's, that's all this stuff, isn't it? So there's the sort of second one along with this strange shape here. Can we see that? Not really. Oh no, they're all over there. I'm way too far over. We're on this one. So we've got this area here, so that's there. And then we're up north of the junction. So we're sort of around here somewhere. And we're sort of level roughly, but we're sort of second big building in. So we're here. I'm going to go there. 9 meters. There you go. All right. Just fun. That was actually turned out easy. I didn't need to cheat. So there you go. Bye bye.